Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to buy Amazon gift card from Binance. Let's begin. First, go to the Crypto Refills website by visiting cryptorefills.com or download the Crypto Refills app on your mobile device. Next, select the category. Once you're on the home page, choose the e-commerce section to access online shopping gift cards. Now, select the Amazon gift card. Tap on the Amazon brand and choose the price package you want to purchase. After selecting the amount, move to the payment part. Choose your cryptocurrency, in this case, Binance Pay. Now proceed to the checkout. Type in your email address, tick the confirmation box, and click on Proceed to Payment. You will now see the payment page. Send the exact amount of cryptocurrency to the wallet address shown and make sure to follow all on-screen instructions. Once the payment is confirmed, your Amazon gift card code will be sent to your email address.